of the teams is Delhi in lane number 2. This is going to be a big field with as many as
Lane 3, Team Tamil Nadu.
7 teams. Delhi has got Sharma, Amity, Abhishek,
T. Santosh.
Agarwal and Kapish Mahajan. Tamil Nadu with Santosh, Varun Manohar. He's the
SM.
man who they have picked up at the back straight. He's very strong. Yagwaraj and SM Tharun. SM Tharun once again is the
Team Reliance.
stronger of the lads in the Tamil Nadu squad.
Santa Mahendra.
You never know, Tamil Nadu were the favorites in the women's event. They faltered with a drop of the baton. Oh, there's a style there for the Reliance side. They seem to be learning something different. Reliance has got Mahendra Santa, Abhay Singh, Astik Pradhan. Astik Pradhan again a known name with Pratik Maharana.
Gurbachan Singh.
Chandigarh, the local outfit.
Ashish Yadav.
Perhaps
Dipanshu.
all of them practice at this venue. They have Joravarji Singh.
Lane 6, Team Haryana.
It should be Zoravar, right? No, it says Joravar, yeah, Joravar Singh. With him is Gurbachan, Ashish and Dipanshu. Haryana coming up is Nikunj Panwar, Nikhil Kumar, Umesh and Himanshu.
Lane 7,
This is
Team Telangana.
by far the most complete event. Happy to see that
Andrew.
there are as many as 7 teams. Telangana with Suhas Andrew, Abhina Rupavati, Kaif Mohammed and Gautam Alluri. Gautam Alluri again, seen a fair bit of him at the junior national level. And Rajasthan are the 8th lane with Shekhawat Singh,
Shekhawat Singh.
Saurahi, Bajia Kumar and Gaurav Yadav. Each of them has picked up a style. They all know they are on television and they all have a different style to show.
24 by 100 meters relay.
Just going back to the women's event, Haryana 51.83 got the gold. Rajasthan to finish this event. But we're finally ready now. Delhi in 2, Tamil Nadu in 3, Reliance in 4, Chandigarh in 5, Haryana in 6, Telangana in 7 and Rajasthan in 8. The men's under 24 by 100 meters. So much of expectancy. Amity Sharma in 2 to start. Santosh for Tamil Nadu in 3. Mahendra Santa in Reliance for 4. Joravar Singh for Chandigarh in 5. Nikunj Panwar in 6. Suhas Andrew in 7. Shekhawat Rajasthan in 8. Setting off, Reliance doing well. Close to him is Chandigarh. We got Telangana strong. Reliance with a nice baton exchange, but slightly on the slower. In lane number 8, Rajasthan, that's not the part which will decide. Well, Reliance there in 4, Tamil Nadu in 3. Now Reliance sets the pace out here. Look at that baton exchange, absolutely flawless. And as they have done earlier on, they will continue to take it away. This time, once again, that margin. And it is lane number 4 as expected with Pratik Maharana taking advantage of the lead that they mustered up right from the beginning through Mahendra Santa, Abhay Singh and Astik Pradhan. Pratik Maharana takes it off out there to win the men's under 24 by 100 meters.
Men's under 24 by 100 meters relay final. He just narrowly missed the national record. The clock 40.5, whereas the national record is
So this is where it all started strengthening for the Reliance team, and they were absolutely spot on. They were absolutely spot on with the Reliance boy Pratik Maharana romping home to get Reliance one more gold medal here in the 4 by 100 meters under 20. We have the next event which is slated at 16:55. We still got about 10 minutes to go. We'll of course wait for some more interesting things to come for you here.